All right, hello. We're making a mastering studio here in Finland, Lohja, and look at this awesome finish. This is gonna be for mixing and mastering, so we have to do a heavy. It's made with the rock wool. We have a 15 centimeter thickness, and it's 16 centimeters from the wall. There's gonna be a monitor here for working, and I show you easy way how to connect these big slabs on the wall. So we have to get them 15 centimeter out of the wall, or 16. We've been using this system of just having a 15 centimeter hook and with a piece of wood to center with this kind of L hooks on the wall. So it's enough to have just a single one here, and this is the way how to get the measurements. So we did a simple thing with the square to get the line, so we can get measurements for this one and the next one actually. So these are they're quite heavy, but easy enough to whoop. The process is quite simple. So we have a center point here, wood going through. So we would measure from the edge to the center. So we're gonna get a point here in the center, and then we determine the height. So we're gonna have this around here. So then we can calculate this high and go behind here and put the hook, and then we're just gonna lift it on. So that's it, and I show you how will it look. So then it's gonna look something like this with the perfect gap for the audio. Alright, so we had defined the center spot and the height. We don't want marks in the wall using the tape. We want as least holes as possible, so we're just doing a single connecting, and this is a workable piece. So the panels, they're standing in the ground, so we don't need much support. And now that we have this here, we can measure the actual height. Okay, so it was 192.7, and we're just gonna take it from here. Simple as that. So we want to be in the middle, and bit of pre-drilling. And then we have this hook with the small marking for the depth.
like that.
And then we just aim it there and lift it in.